Yeah, what's up? This is Beyond Aliens and the Occult. It's been a while, as you can hear or see on my YouTube activity. It hasn't been anything uploaded for over a month or two, perhaps, but I have my reasons and I have different motivational uh, levels, so to say. I do different things and prioritize differently from time to time, but this is a new video and this topic is about a particular sound that is ongoing and always emerging during the autumn. And it seems to be very few people who notices this sound or pays any attention to the loud, high frequency, bouncing, high pitched sound. It sounds very similar to something reminiscence of a cricket sound or a cricket, but it is not a cricket because it only emerges during autumn. And these insects they are not very active during the colder seasons, and they don't make that sound during the autumn. In particular, not in, for example, you won't hear that sound in a crowded little suburb with only apartments when outside when there is no nature. There's only like brick cement houses. You won't find crickets hiding in between the springes of the bricks, or bats for that matter, because I've checked up different sounds from bats. Actually, I did this years ago. Me and my ex, we listened to hundreds of bat sounds, and many different variations and species of nocturnal animals, and nothing sounds like this high-pitched sound, which I'm going to play for you in a few seconds. And I have my speculations on what it might be, but I have no real evidence of it. I can only speculate on this matter, and if anybody has a interesting theory, feel free to leave a comment below the video here and give your opinions about it. It would be very appreciated. And here is the actual sound. And the last thing before I play it. This recording was recorded during the night, a few meters outside of my apartment in a very populated location with only apartment buildings, and the sound is obviously heard bouncing from building to building, and that's not a way bats operate. They don't, they bounce sound with echolocation and all of that, but not they don't live in apartments like this. They don't live they don't hang on the rooftops, in apartment blocks like this. They are out in the nature, in the forest, in an abandoned building somewhere far from humans. I know because I spend a lot of time outdoors at night, and I've been in forests many times at night, and I see the bats flying around, and the sounds they make, they don't sound anything like it, and they fly far from humans over lakes and treetops. They don't hang around every night making these high-pitched sounds for hours and hours in the middle of a crowded apartment block. They don't do that. So here, pay attention to the sound and give me the opinions of what you believe it is. And please leave a comment, subscribe to the channel if you like what I do, and like the video. Share and take care. Goodbye.